And hello, welcome back again with me Puni, and today I'm gonna show you a song from Hoobastank with the reason. In this chord I use the uneasy chord from C major root, and if you want to play this song originally, you just use your capo at the 4th fret on your guitar. Okay, let's get started. At the very first, I want to tell you a pattern of strumming. The strumming is just like this, it's so easy. Okay, it's just down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, just repeat the pattern. Okay, like this: down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, it's just so easy, and let's jump to the song. So I have to say, that I just want you. And the reason this time with you. I'm sorry that